Hi!
Surprise!
Surprise! Walang nagkaroon ng clue. Guys, today is a special day. Just like the people present here today, you're all special. I can tell you how much it means to have you, our guests, our media friends, and our first ever official endorser of Blank Pearl, Miss Marian Rivera Dantes, who embodies grace, confidence, and beauty. Welcome, and thank you all for your time. Years ago, I was just a simple Ilocana powered by big and beautiful dreams. I remember simply wanting to sell great products for people at my old house, hoping and praying na makatulong to sa aking pamilya. Nagbebenta lang ako ng kung ano-ano. With passion and greed, I did it. And I was not alone. Beautyderm's success is shared with my franchisees, my employees, my ambassadors, and our media friends who made the big brand, and of course, our consumers. I am honored to say that Beautyderm is one of the leading beauty and wellness brands in the country today. Looking back, I'm very happy to have served and trusted my God. I am advised that you do the same. Listen to your inner God. And hard work. Never forget to be kind. You have all been so kind with us, and with your unwavering support, Beautyderm group of companies continues to grow. The brand continues to glow. And I'm very happy to share with you today, we are officially launching our new company, Blank Pearl. It is a Beautyderm affiliate, a sub-brand ito ng Beautyderm. Blank Pearl is tailored to cater consumers who seek effective but budget-friendly skincare products. Murang produkto pero pangmatagalan. And you know what? Both Beautyderm and Blank Pearl started with sincere intentions and a brave heart. I am back to taking care of a baby right now in the form of my Blank Pearl. At na-pressure ka, and I'm so excited to watch it big and grow like my baby Beautyderm. And in this journey, I believe that there is no way but up. But we just need to trust the process and pray. Katulad ng pagmamahal niyo sa Beautyderm, sana po ay mahalin niyo rin ang Blank Pearl. Good afternoon, everyone, and let's now start the press con.
Yes.
Alright, thank you for the beautiful inspiring speech, Mami Ray. Sabi nga niya, listen to your inner God. Put hard work, never forget to be kind and generous din, di ba? Pero before we begin,